Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12 Knowledge Seekers. Today, we're diving into a game-changer: decentralized banking. Imagine managing, saving, borrowing, and investing your money. No banks, no borders, no middlemen. Thanks to decentralized finance, or DeFi, this is quickly becoming reality. We'll break down 10 actionable ways DeFi is revolutionizing financial freedom for 2025. Grab a notebook, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's tackle the big question. What exactly DeFi? It's a term you've probably heard buzzing around, but what does it really mean in practice? It's financial services built on blockchain, a revolutionary technology that's changing how we think about money and transactions. Imagine a world where traditional financial institutions are replaced by decentralized networks. At the heart of DeFi are smart contracts, code that runs automatically, executing agreements without the need for intermediaries. These contracts are self-executing, meaning once the conditions are met, the transaction happens automatically. This means no banks required. DeFi aims to democratize finance, removing the gatekeepers and empowering individuals. DeFi is open, borderless, meaning anyone, anywhere in the world can participate. It transcends geographical limitations and traditional banking hours, and it's accessible to anyone with internet. All you need is a connection and a device to start exploring the world of decentralized finance. Protocols like Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, and Aave, a lending and borrowing platform, let people interact directly, not through companies. This peer-to-peer interaction is a core tenet of the DeFi movement, fostering a more equitable financial system. Learning the basics, it's the foundation upon which you'll build your DeFi knowledge. Blockchain, the underlying technology, smart contracts, the automated agreements, gas fees, the transaction costs, liquidity pools, is essential. Understanding how these components work together is key to navigating the DeFi landscape. Don't be intimidated. DeFi can seem complex at first, but it's definitely learnable. Start by exploring glossaries on CoinMarketCap, a great resource for understanding crypto terms, or CoinGecko, another excellent platform with comprehensive definitions. Think of it as learning a new game. It has its own rules, strategies, and terminology. Know the rules before you play. Just like any game, understanding the fundamentals is crucial for success. Take your time, ask questions, don't rush the process, and use the guides linked below. We've compiled a list of helpful resources to get you started. If you're stuck, drop your questions in the comments. We're here to support you on your DeFi journey. The DeFi community is here to help. It's a collaborative space where everyone is learning together. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step to financial freedom. It's about taking control of your financial future. Ready? Let's move on to setting up your DeFi wallet. This is where you'll store your digital assets and interact with DeFi applications. Let's keep building. Together we can build a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Before diving into the world of decentralized finance, you'll need a secure gateway to interact with these new platforms. Next, you need a DeFi wallet. This is your portal to the decentralized world, so choosing the right one is crucial. Specifically, you'll want a non-custodial wallet where you, and only you, control the keys. This is the essence of true ownership in the DeFi space. Think of it as having the keys to your own digital vault. Unlike centralized exchanges where your assets are held by a third party, with a DeFi wallet, you own your assets directly. This means you have complete control and responsibility for your funds. No intermediaries, no gatekeepers. MetaMask, a popular browser extension and mobile app, and Trust Wallet, a mobile-first wallet known for its user-friendly interface, are great starting points for beginners. Both offer a secure and relatively easy way to manage your crypto assets and interact with DeFi applications. Ultimately, you should choose based on your device preference and the specific features you need. Consider factors like supported blockchains, ease of use, and security features when making your decision. Security is everything in the world of DeFi. Protecting your wallet and your assets is paramount. Remember, your seed phrase is your master key. It's the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Lose it, lose your funds. Write your seed phrase on paper, store it offline in a secure location, ideally in multiple locations for redundancy, and absolutely never share it with anyone under any circumstances. Treat it like the most valuable secret you possess. Don't save it digitally on your computer, phone, or in the cloud. Digital storage is vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Set a strong, unique password for your wallet. Avoid using easily guessable words or phrases. And enable two-factor authentication if available for an extra layer of security. This will require a second verification method, such as a code from your phone, to access your wallet. Taking these steps will significantly protect you from potential hacks and costly mistakes. For a more detailed walkthrough, check the description for a full setup guide. We've included resources to help you get started with popular wallets. Let us know which wallet you pick and why in the comments below. Sharing your experiences can help others make informed decisions. With your wallet ready and secured, you're now set to explore the exciting world of DeFi. You're one step closer to unlocking the potential of decentralized finance. Now let's see how you can start earning with DeFi savings. Onward to financial freedom. With your wallet set up, you can start earning interest through DeFi savings and lending protocols. Platforms like Compound and Aave let you deposit assets and earn higher yields than traditional banks. Most people start with stablecoins like USDC or DAI, no wild price swings, just steady interest. Connect your wallet, deposit, and watch your balance grow in real time. You're now a lender in a global automated system. Start small. This is new tech, and there are risks. Learn the process before committing larger amounts. DeFi makes your money work for you, visibly and efficiently. Curious if this beats your bank's rates? Let us know in the comments. Next, let's talk about borrowing in DeFi. Let's flip the script. DeFi lets you borrow instantly. No credit checks or paperwork, just collateral. Platforms like MakerDAO let you lock up crypto and mint stablecoins as loans. Over-collateralization is key deposit more than you borrow to protect the system. If your collateral drops in value, it can be sold to repay the loan. This is perfect if you need cash but don't want to sell your crypto. But beware. If prices fall, you risk liquidation. Monitor your collateral ratio and borrow responsibly. DeFi loans offer flexibility but require vigilance. Have you tried DeFi loans? Share your experience below. Now let's talk about trading assets instantly. Trading in the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing how we interact with digital assets. It's a landscape where speed is paramount, and opportunities can arise and disappear in the blink of an eye. And it's all self-custodial, meaning you and only you have control over your funds. No more relying on intermediaries to hold your assets. This is largely thanks to decentralized exchanges, or DEX, like Uniswap, which are at the heart of this financial revolution. These platforms are changing the game. Forget about traditional brokers and the endless waiting times associated with traditional exchanges. With DEX, you simply connect your wallet and swap assets instantly. It's a seamless and direct way to engage with the market. DEX operate using automated market makers, or AMMs, and liquidity pools, rather than relying on traditional order books. This innovative approach ensures continuous liquidity and efficient trading. Furthermore, Layer 2 scaling solutions like Polygon and Arbitrum are further enhancing the DeFi experience. These technologies make swaps incredibly cheap and lightning fast, opening up DeFi to a wider audience. DEXs often provide a platform for new tokens to be listed before they make their way to larger, more established exchanges, giving you early access to potentially lucrative opportunities. But it's crucial to remember that this also comes with higher risk. Whether you're looking to diversify your existing portfolio or jump into exciting new projects, DEX offer the ability to do so with a single click. However, it's absolutely essential to always do your own thorough research and due diligence before engaging in any trading activity. In conclusion, DEXs are an essential component for achieving both speed and control in the dynamic world of DeFi. So, what's your go-to DEX or Layer 2 solution for navigating the DeFi landscape? Share your favorites and insights in the comments below. Next up, we're going to delve into the exciting world of earning passive income through staking your digital assets. Are you ready to put your cryptocurrency assets to work and start generating rewards? Let's dive in and explore the world of staking. Now let's move on to the next exciting strategy in the world of DeFi. Staking lets you earn passive income by supporting blockchain networks. You lock up your crypto, help secure the network, and earn rewards. No need to be a technical expert. Use delegated or liquid staking pools. Platforms like Lido or Kraken make staking accessible with small amounts. Flexible staking options now let you unstake quickly, giving you more control. Staking is ideal for long-term holders who want steady returns. Research each network's rewards and risks before staking. Tried staking? Share your experience below. Next, let's talk about liquidity pools and earning trading fees. Let's dive in. Providing liquidity means depositing assets into pools that power DEX. You earn a share of trading fees every time someone swaps using your pool. Pools like ETH USDC on Uniswap are popular starting points. Platforms like Balancer and Curve offer advanced options and higher yields. Watch out for impermanent loss. Your asset's value can fluctuate compared to just holding. Start small and stick to stablecoin pools to minimize risk while learning. Liquidity provision can be lucrative, but know the risks. Check the description for a guide on impermanent loss. Ready to earn from trading activity? Let's talk security next. Stay sharp. Security is everything in DeFi. There's no safety net if you slip up. Never share your seed phrase or private keys, ever. Be skeptical, double-check URLs, avoid fake sites, and ignore unsolicited messages. Use blockchain explorers like Etherscan to verify smart contracts before connecting your wallet. Consider a hardware wallet for maximum protection. Your keys stay offline. Enable all available security features on your wallet. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Follow #DeFi Safety for ongoing tips. Your vigilance is your best defense. Stay safe, and you'll thrive in DeFi. Now let's see how DeFi is changing global payments. Ready for a global perspective? Let's go. DeFi makes sending money across borders instant and cheap. No banks, no delays. Blockchains like Stellar are built for fast, low-cost international payments. Freelancers and families can send and receive funds in seconds, keeping more of their money. This levels the playing field for millions worldwide. DeFi isn't just for techies, it's about real financial inclusion. Have you used DeFi for international payments? Share your story below. Next, let's talk about learning and growing with the DeFi community. Let's connect. The best way to learn DeFi is with others. Join Discord servers, Reddit threads, and follow experts on X, Twitter. Communities share the latest news, safety tips, and strategies. Use analytics sites like DeFi Pulse to track trends and make informed decisions. Ask questions, share insights, and learn together. The DeFi journey is ongoing. Stay plugged in. Got favorite communities or accounts? Drop them in the comments. Now let's wrap up your DeFi roadmap. Here's your next step. We've covered 10 strategies to unlock financial freedom with DeFi. Start small, stay safe, and focus on learning. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Pick one area, master it, and build from there. Lean on the community for support and growth. Which DeFi strategy excites you most? Let us know below. Like, subscribe, and check the description for guides and resources. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. See you in the next one.